Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We have the 1955 Thunderbird right here. If you haven't noticed, it's bright torch red and white interior. It has power steering, power brakes, power windows, power seat. It has the convertible top. It has the removable hard top. It has wire wheel hubcaps. It has radial white wall tires. And you know what else it has that no 55 T-Bird ever came with? It has air conditioning very neatly installed in the car. Other upgrades are a retro stereo, has a hidden CD changer, has an alternator instead of a generator. So this car's got all that and then some. It even has little chrome eyebrows over the headlights. So go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study all the pictures. In his case, he'll just look at the pictures. And that's where you find price tags on all of the cars we have for sale. And there's monthly finance payments as well. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, tops are off. Let's go for a spin. Right, Maverick? So this car has about 4,900 miles on the odometer. That's since it was ground up restored. I actually sold this car. Unfortunately, a gentleman passed away. I don't know when we sold it, 10 years ago or something like that. The whole underneath is clean. The metal floors are about as nice as I've ever seen. The floor pans, the braces, the rockers, smooth as a chalkboard, all painted semi-gloss black. The chassis components are all smooth metal, painted semi-gloss black. I don't think there's a part under there that you couldn't just take off with a wrench. It looks like it was disassembled and restored whenever it was done. These were drum brakes, the e-brakes hooked up. It's got a nice dual exhaust system that comes right out through the back bumper. It's stainless steel exhaust, another upgrade. And it has Smithy mufflers. They're like a glass pack style tube muffler. The fuel system, the tank looks clean, nice metal. You look up at the motor, it's still fresh. It's painted nice. The motor mounts, the starter, the flywheel cover, all that just looks clean. The Cruise-O-Matic transmission, clean. I mean, all the nuts and bolts and everything about it, the linkage is all just real nice and clean. So underneath this car is really exceptionally clean. The body, let's check that out. The hood, it's got to fit all the way around, and it does. It fits in there nice and square. The headlight buckets fit real nice. This is nice and straight. All of this is really nice. The wheel well, fender lip, it's straight. The body line is straight. This is real smooth. I was told years ago Thunderbird doors never fit. This one fits real good. It sticks out a little bit. Might be able to be adjusted. I can push it in. But actually, it fits really nicely. The skirts fit real nice. This is all real good. I mean, the body itself is excellent. Yeah, here's our Volo Museum tag. We haven't used these in years. That is just sticky tape if you did want to remove it. This side's straight. There's no rust, no damage, no bubbles. It's straight. It fits real nice. As far as the paint job's concerned, beautiful. It's like red glass. It's polished. It's gorgeous. Is there a flaw? I'm sure there is. That's just dirt. I did notice some chips on the inside corner up here by the hood. Now back corner. There's some chips on the inside here. It is kind of close there. It might have touched at one point. Actual functioning hood scoop. These were sports cars. Corvette wasn't the only sports car in America. Chrome looks new. Windshield is replaced. The rubber gasket's real nice. It has the wing windows. That's kind of cool. All this trim is shiny. Door handles, real shiny. I just noticed this. This is a custom piece. This is not original. So someone's it must be an aftermarket part, but it looks really cool. All the chrome sparkles, the grill, all of it. It's got the little cross flags and these eyebrows. I don't know if that's an aftermarket thing or what, but usually you don't see those. The wire wheel baskets, they're called. It's like a 3 or 4 piece deal. They cost just as much as a real wire wheel. And it has the red. And it has Coker Classic radial white walls. The nubs are still on it. They're hardly used. In back, like I said, the exhaust comes right through the bumper. Got some cross flags. All the chrome is shiny. So that's the outside of the car. I think Maverick wants to show us inside the car. So Maverick said it was too hot in here. He went in the office to cool off. And here we've got a nice trunk compartment with some surprises. You have a real nice indoor cover, and you have another cover. Look, oh, it's a hardtop cover. Some miscellaneous little parts here. But aside from that, look at that beautiful painted ram, nice white wall tire. The whole trunk compartment's painted red. You got the rubber mat. Over here, you have the jack assembly. Looks like it's complete, bolted down the way it's supposed to be. There's the CD changer. There's a remote inside to control that. The latch looks new. The rubber looks new. So real nice finished trunk compartment. This is a really good car, folks. Door jambs painted real nice. Rubber's real good. The door panels look like they're in excellent shape. This is called machine turn trim. That's probably original because there is some wear on it. It's not beat up, but it is a little bit worn. The vinyl needs to be tucked back in right here. That screw is loose. Here's your power seat, power windows. So this is a covered dash, and it's in real nice shape. The instruments are all real nice. This little bit of chrome, the bezels are on the tachometer and clock. Normally they're painted. Someone chromed these. They just want to give it a little extra. Quartz movement. Here's the retro stereo, original knobs. It says Thunderbird right on it. This is the air conditioning. Glove box. I don't know why it's moved over. It's in the wrong spot. But look at it, the screws and the paint, all real nice. Automatic trans. Beautiful steering wheel. People push on this, they snap this off. This is still here. A remote for the CDs. Got Thunderbird floor mats. Nice plump seats. They're rebuilt, recushioned, and reupholstered. And then behind the seat is the white convertible top. They make a cheap reproduction. The top frame is made out of like a conduit. This is the actual framework. You could unbolt this and sell this for $5,000-$6,000 as a white convertible in real nice shape. I noticed there's seat belts too. That's another extra, and there's sound deadener on the floor. So this car just keeps getting better and better. It's a 292 motor. This is show quality. You can tell it was completely taken apart and restored, rebuilt and made to look pretty. As the engine dress-up kit, that's the chrome air cleaner, the thinned valve covers, and the chrome breather cap. Over here is the air conditioning. Doesn't take up much space. You only really notice it's there. You have power steering. That's the power brakes. You got the bag for the washer fluid, the shroud, the radiator, the engine bay. Everything's painted up beautifully. Wiring looks new. Gorgeous engine compartment. And down here, I'll show you real quick, it has an alternator instead of the generator. And also these exhaust manifolds are coated. They look like they're ceramic coated. They weren't cutting corners when they restored this car. It wasn't just done yesterday. It was done 10, 15 years ago, but what a nice job, what a nice car. Here's the hardtop. This was an option. It's painted. restored very nicely. The headliner has no tears, has a little bit of discoloring that might clean up. The rubber's good, the glass is good, all the trim, the paint is excellent. So that'll come with the car as well. Yeah, it's better than new with all the extras it has. Just in extras, alternators, stainless exhaust, radial tires, retro stereo, CD changer, air conditioning, seat belts. Those are all added above and beyond, along with little things, some little extra chrome. That's how you do it. There is a little chip on the inside here. There's clearance, but if someone ever dropped it crooked or if the car is on a hill where it was twisted, that's probably when it chipped. And it chipped kind of on the inside, so it's not obvious at all. Beautiful car. I love it. That's the third car I filmed today. I want to keep all three of them. Go to volocars.com. I just gave you my impression. If you have questions or concerns, talk to the salesman. They'll help you the best they can. They can help deliver this to your driveway. They can help you finance it, make it affordable at volocars.com. If you haven't already signed up, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Do that and then click on the bell icon so you can be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.